Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got, where nail things happen, so might as well subscribe if you like nail stuff, right? Okay, we are here to open the March Mani by Me box, and I love a little bit of Maniology nail mail, so let us do it. This one looks like it took a hit, so hopefully the contents are okay, but let's open her up and see what's inside. Ooh, so we have our two cards. We'll get to those in just a minute. I do believe this one has a naughty theme. A little bit of a naughty theme to it. So let's have a look. I love that red though, that's pretty. So as you guys know, you get a tutorial and a description of what's in the box. So there's your description if you want to pause. I like to be surprised, so I'm gonna set that off to the side. Lacy Details Manicure Tutorial. Okay, Sweet and Sultry Creations. So this is, if you want to pause there, you can see how to create this manicure that they've got, the Lacy Details. Okay, let's find out what's inside. I don't even know what the extra image is either. Oh, it looks like, what? So many mani ideas. Y'all, like this is true. Like real true. I'm gonna have to put this somewhere in my nail room because this is so true. So thank you Maniology for the little gift. And it looks like there are 3 plates. So I guess the extra item is a plate. Let's have a look at what's inside. This is MXM051. And I don't know if I can get a good image without glaring on you. So we've got different, oh, these are pretty floral designs. And you've got some lace, almost like garter looking stuff here. Those would be cute to put across. Different, almost like fishnets. I think that's what they were thinking about with that one. Roses are very beautiful. Different floral designs. And you've got your kind of lacy patterns right there. So that's MXM051. And then we've got MXM052, and once again, I'm sorry about the glare, but I'll let you see those images right there. We've got some, looks like whips and chains kind of stuff. So some chains with some hearts and corset looking stuff, and I don't even know how to describe some of these, but we've got some lace up stuff here. These are actually just cool little geometric designs. They can be used for that. Okay, and then the other one, this is a little bit more lacy. This is the M187. I guess this is the extra item that you get. And this one has a lot more lacy kind of patterns on it. Let me see if I can, once again, sorry about the glare. But lots of lacy patterns and floral designs on this one. So a good, just general, all-around usage plate. So those are our 3 plates that you got. Well, the 2 plates and the extra item. And then we get our 2 colors. Ooh, they're packaging them a little bit differently. Let me grab some scissors so I can get into the box. Let me in there. Express yourself. Oh, is that one of their new colors? Oh, you know what? I think this is a, it's a sheer black, if I remember correctly. Let's see what the other one is. So the sheer black, I think it's lace. So I bet that's the sheer black. And then this one is leather. And I can't really tell what color that is. Is that black or is that dark brown or dark red? Let's open it up and see if we can see. It's dark. Make no mistake. Oh, it's like a dark purpley color. Let's just do a quick. Yeah, dark purpley color. Very pretty. And I'm just out of curiosity, I believe this is a sheer black, which would make things nice. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty sheer. Yeah, okay. I like that. So I had to mix my own for Halloween this year, but it would be nice to have something like that. I am going to do a swatch me for this one, so I'll show you what that looks like. And I don't know. This is my first Maniology polish that is in a different bottle, so I don't know if maybe I'll stamp it and put a swatch me sticker on it and just see what happens. Okay. So if you're new to my channel, just so you know, I always do a the same stamp on all of my swatches. Don't ask. I have a thing where I need things to be the same. So I am using a clear jelly stamper because I do like it very much. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like on. It's a little bit more, it's darker than I thought it would be. Where'd I put it? Oh, it's on. You guys, that's funny. It's a little darker than I thought it would be. It almost looks like it will be sheer, but it's really not. So it's quite deep and dark. That is really cool. But it's got a hint of purple / red to it. Very pretty. All right, let me see what I'm going to do with the sheer black. Maniology sells the Swatch Me stickers separately. So what I am going to do is I'm actually going to use one of those. I love these things. I use them for all my polishes that not just the Maniology ones. So I'm going to put this on here, and I'm still going to do a swatch with it. Well, that's dumb. You know what? Let me first, because I'm curious to see what it looks like over white just painted on. So I'm just going to do a quick, just a brush across on that, just so you can see it kind of looks like that gray across there. Then I'm going to put it right cha. Get on over there. Yeah. Okay. And now I will wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to do a swatch of it on top of that, or stamp of it. Now, I don't want y'all to panic because we already know this is not going to swatch well. It's going to be very light. It is sheer. It's meant to be sheer. So I know that there's not going to be a lot of color, but I do want to see what it looks like. Okay. And it's not intended to be a what do you call it? Stamping polish. So let's go ahead and give this a whirl. Where'd my stuff go, man? Hopefully it's not too dry. Okay. Oh, it's super sheer. Yeah, you barely won't be able to see that, but that's okay. There are some cases where I will want stamps that look like that. So that looks pretty cool. I'm happy with that, and I'm glad I swatched it like that. That's about it for this video. I'm just doing an unboxing of this one, and I'll do some kind. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna follow. I've never done this before. Don't ask me why I never think about it. I think I'll follow the tutorial for the next video, and yeah, let's do that. So plan on that video coming out soon, and until then, please know that this box is pretty awesome. Like, it's supposed to be, what is it, sweet and sultry, so there's a little risque stuff on here, but at the same time, it's got lots of floral patterns and lots of good stuff. So let me remind you what we have. We have the MXM 051 and the MXM 052. And then we have the extra plate. This was the extra item. This is M187 with all the floral designs and lace designs on it. And then we have our beautiful leather color and the sheer black color called Lace. So that is your March Mani by Me subscription box. And people, if you like Maniology like I like Maniology, then you can get yourself 10% off of your order by using the code GrooveMama at maniology.com. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, and you can follow me on Instagram too. That could be really, really neato bandito. And people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!